First, go ahead and create an Excel contacts sheet, just like the one you see on the screen. Copy all your contacts' names and phone numbers into the list shown in my conect.csv file. Download the conect.csv file from the video description, then open it on your PC or Mac. Now copy the names and phone numbers into columns A and U, respectively. Don't change any of the column names in this CSV file. Once you're done, save the file and upload it to your Google Contacts account. Open contacts.google.com, click on Create Contact, and choose the option to create multiple contacts. Then click on Import Contacts, browse for your CSV file, and upload it to Google Contacts. Once the file is uploaded, click Import to start importing your contacts. As you can see, all your contacts are now saved in your Google account. Now look at the top and click on the Export button. Select the vcard for Android or iOS option. After downloading the contacts as a VCF file, send it to your iPhone. You can email it from your Windows PC or use Airdrop from your Mac. When you open the file on your iPhone, you'll see all the contacts on the screen. Tap on Add All Contacts. Or if you're opening it from email, tap on the file, then choose Add All Contacts. Now all your Excel contacts will be saved right into your iPhone's phone app. That's it! If this helped you out, go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more updates. And if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below.